Good afternoon, children of class 10. Now, today we have come at least at the end of our trigonometric syllabus of class 10. Now we will do the problem sums. We will solve problem sums, and exercise 25 of your Ganit book is based on problem sums. Based on what? Based on trigonometrical ratios. So today is my online class part 19 and today is 7th October. So from today we are starting only the problem sums based on height and distance. Either we have to find the height or distance of distant objects. Now, sometimes we are required to find the height of a building, tower, tree, distance of a ship from the lighthouse, width of a river. In this process of computing this distance, we employ our knowledge of trigonometry. Now, suppose take this figure. There is a tree over here. You may be asked either to find the height of the tree and the distance of the tree, because you see this height of the tree is creating a perpendicular line with the ground, and you can easily form a what type of angle? You can easily form a right angle triangle, and from here applying tan theta, cos theta, sin theta formulas, or cos theta, cot theta, any ratios, you can easily calculate the height. If you want, if distance is known to you, if the angle is known to you, now I'm coming to the angle later, then you can easily find out the height of the tree. So in this application sums, what is very important? You have to find the height, or you have to find the distance, or maybe both height and distance, sometimes both. But there is a very important thing, that is the line of sight, from where you are seeing that object. That is very important, because if I see the tree from here, then this will be my line of sight. This is called the line of sight. Alright. So if I place my eyes over here, like this I have shown over here, I have kept my eyes over here. From here I am observing the topmost portion of anything. That will be, I will creating an angle. That angle is called angle of elevation. And if I see any object from the downward side, then it will create angle of depression. So if I see anything upward, it will create angle of elevation, and if I see anything downward, then it will be creating angle of depression. Clear, children? So what five things you have to keep in mind: the height of the object, the distance of the object, line of sight, angle of elevation, and angle of depression. And obviously angle means in trigonometry theta. By this time, at the end of the syllabus, you should be knowing that theta means angle. Now I have solved one sum with you, and it is a very easy sum. I hope it will help you to solve the problem. Now look, a coconut tree stand on the bank of Rita's pond. So there is a coconut tree. Where it is standing? It is standing on the bank of Rita's pond. Now you are proceeding, you are walking, proceeding along the bank of the pond to the point which is at the distance of 12 meters with respect to the angle of elevation of the vertex of the tree. Now I am proceeding. That means suppose AB is the tree. Which tree? The coconut tree near Rita's pond. Now you are walking towards the coconut tree, and you are creating how much distance you have standing apart from the coconut tree? That is 12 meters. And at what angle you are looking at the vertex of the tree? Vertex means the top portion of the tree. That is where the point A is there. So suppose AB is the tree and you are looking at the top level of the tree. That is you are creating angle of elevation. Since you are looking upward, what angle will be created? Angle of elevation. And if you look downward, it will create angle of depression. So for this, angle of elevation of point A is 60 degree. Now you have to find the height. Now look, it has created a theta over here. Theta means angle. What angle? The angle of elevation. Alright, because we are looking up at the coconut tree. So let AB be the coconut tree. Alright, and we call it the height is equal to h meter. Obviously meter height. BC is the distance of the tree from the pond. So BC, I am standing over here, that is 12 meter apart from the tree. From here I am watching the coconut tree. What angle of elevation I am creating? I am creating angle of elevation 60 degree. So obviously angle ACB is equal to theta is equal to what? 60 degree. Now base is there, perpendicular. Perpendicular and base comes in which ratio of trigonometry? Children, you all know it is tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. Now, just applying that rule only, we can find the height of the tree, and it is so easy. Just you write like this, tan ACB. What is ACB? ACB is theta. Theta is how much? Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 60 degree. That is equal to perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular? That is the height of the tree, and base is the distance you are apart from the tree. So, perpendicular is AB, and what is the base? BC. Alright. So, what is tan 60 degree? You know the ratio. You know the values of the thetas. So, it is tan 60 degree is root 3. So, we are instead of tan 60, we are putting root 3. That is equal to AB by 12 meter. Perpendicular AB means H. AB you can also write H by 12 meters. So what is AB? AB means the height of the tree. That is just cross multiply 12 into 3. That is 12 root 3 meter. So easily we can find out the height of the coconut tree. That is 12 by root 3 meter. Clear, children? These type of sums come in your exam. 2 sums comes in your question paper, and you have to attempt at least 1 sum. Alright. So this chapter is very vital, and I will go rather slow with you so that your comprehension level is becomes sound, and you can manage your exam properly. But I find many students of class 10 are not joining my classes. Please join my class regularly and attend and subscribe my channel and my videos, because these are very important. I am coming with my next application. A man is standing 24 meters from a tower, AP. This AP represents the tower where the position of the man is at O. So it is looking at the top of the tower. So what it will be, the line of sight will be angle of elevation. Now with the line OP, that is an angle of, he is making an angle of what? Angle of elevation is 30 degree with the horizontal plane. You are given, find the height of the tower. You are asked to find the height of the tower. Look, here angle POA is equal to 30 degree, and OA, that is the distance man is standing from the tower, is 24. Similar sum with that of 1. It is forming a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means this angle is 90 degree. Alright. And this theta is how much? 30 degree. So perpendicular, you have to find, base is given to you. What you will apply? Maximum cases we apply tan theta. So obviously tan theta is what? AP, perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular? AP by OA or OA. Alright. So tan theta is equal to AP by OA. So AP is equal to tan theta into OA. OA is given 24 and tan theta is 1 by root 3. Now you know root 3 means if you apply Sur's rule, what you will get? Root 3 into root 3 will give you 3, and you have to also multiply 1 root 3 above. So 3 and 24 gets cancelled. It comes to 8 root 3. Now in some sums you will be given the value of root 3. What is the value of root 3? 1.732 meters. What is the value of root 3? 1.732 meters. So what you will do, instead of writing root 3, you will multiply 8 into 1.732. That comes to 13.856 meter. So what is the height? Hence you will write the required height of the tower is 13.856 meter. Clear? Coming with my next application. Coming with my third application. A kite is flying with a height of 150 meters length from the field. Look, the kite is flying. A kite is flying with a thread, and there is a thread of 150 meter with the length from the field. If the thread of the kite makes an angle, the kite's angle is making, the thread is making an angle with the field, that is 60 degree with the horizontal line. What is horizontal? That means with the plane field line. Calculate the height of the kite from the ground. Now you have to just calculate the height of the kite from the ground. Let the kite be A. Alright. So this is creating a what type of triangle? A right angle triangle. Obviously this length will be the perpendicular distance. This is the hypotenuse, that is the thread of the kite, and it is, if you join this two, it will form the base BC. Now let the kite A and the height of the kite from the ground AB is equal to h meter. Always measure height in h meter and distance in D. Alright, this is a clear conceptual clearance that if you have to measure height, write h meter, and if you have to find out or calculate the distance, write D meter. Alright, so AB h meter. AC is the thread of the kite that is given to you. It is given how much? 150 meters. Now it is creating an angle. In this triangle ABC, it is creating angle ACB is given. It is creating angle of elevation, that is 60 degree. You have to find the height of the kite. Now you know the perpendicular and you know the hypotenuse. Now which ratio you have to apply? Which ratio? In which ratio you have these two things, perpendicular and hypotenuse? Yes, in sine. Sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So sine 60 degree. So instead of theta we will write what? Sine 60 degree is equal to AB. AB represents the perpendicular and CA is the hypotenuse, or AC is the hypotenuse. Anywhere you write, no problem. So what is sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 equals to h by 150. Now 2 and 150 gets cancelled. It becomes h by 75. Now just cross multiply it. So h is 75 into 3. That is, now in this sum, the value of root 3 is not given to you. So you don't need to multiply anything with it. You will just write 75 into root 3 is equal to 75 root 3 meter. So hence the required height of the kite is equal to 75 root 3 meter. I hope all this application has slightly cleared your conception. Not fully, slightly. So today's classwork is exercise 25, sum number 1 to 4 and 5. Give a try. Children, don't waste time. These sums will come in your examination. 2 sums comes in that section. 2 problem sum will be coming and you have to attempt 1 sum. So do all the sums very carefully. So today's classwork exercise 25, 1 to 4, 5. Based on the sums which I have taught you just now. Thank you children. Stay fit and healthy. Bye-bye.